Alexa, increase volume. At long last, we're finally drawing one of the most powerful dinosaurs from the Cretaceous, and one of the very most famous ones as well. Tonight, we're finally going to draw a Spinosaurus. One of the stars from Monsters Resurrected, and a very popular star on Jurassic Park 3. It's not weird, I just really like this guy, alright? Here are the claws. The Cretaceous had, well, the population on Spinosaurus was really, limited. I feel like there was only one. But I think that was a lie. There's probably more than one Spino out there. If you guys have interest in more dinosaurs, be sure to look at the Dinosaurs and Prehistoric Life playlist. Now open and available to the public. Alexa, what is Spinosaurus?
Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur that lived in what now is North Africa during the Cenomanian to Upper Turonian stages of the Late Cretaceous period, about 99 to 93.5 million years ago. The genus was known first from Egyptian remains discovered in 1912 and described by German paleontologist Ernst Stromer in 1915.
Glad you told me that. This is why I claim Spinosaurus to be one of my favorites. Well, basically all the dinosaurs are my favorites. And they're basically the most unbeatable species. And I'm back. There we are. Here are the legs. I feel like this guy first appeared at the Gobi Desert. known fact about this guy, folks. Spinosaurus was, well, there were 2 fossils found, but basically this guy's body was destroyed during a world war. I know. Nuts, right? I mean, they bombed a museum. That is not nice! Who bombs a museum? I just feel bad for that skeleton. It would be probably better if they just brought it back. Alright, that's all the information on Spinosaurus. If you guys have any news on what fighter I should draw next, I mean dinosaur, let me know which one you want me to draw next. The possibilities are endless. I mean, dinosaurs are my life. I live for these guys. You guys got any information on what I should draw next? Don't worry, guys. Leave it to old master designer Kyle Freeman Avina. Every dino, I will not stop until they're all complete. Anyways, these prehistoric animals, they deserve respect, honor, and trust.